Alright, this is a quick tutorial on how I changed and edited the look of the page. So what I mean is how I got this page to look the way that it does. So the banner, all these different content areas, etc. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go to my Sandbox course. It's the same thing you're going to do for one of your assignments. So I'm going to go to my Sandbox course. Let's see, go here. And then click on the Sandbox course for that. Okay, so as you can see right now, it's pretty plain. There's the home page. I've got the academic integrity at the University of Arkansas, the announcements modules up, and a dictionary module. Now, if you want to edit what shows up on the home page as far as module goes, you just click on Add Course Module. And you can add or remove whatever you want. So for example, there's a calculator here. You can add that to your home page. And like for what I have the academic integrity at the University of Arkansas on the home page. And I have my announcements on the home page. And I've got the dictionary on the home page. So that's how you add and edit the modules on the home page. Now let's go back. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to add a banner similar to the one I have in the Age of Revolutions course. So what I do, I click on that down pointing arrow right there, the drop down box, I choose page banner. Okay, and I want to get rid of the home page right there. I just want to add an image to this banner box. So I go to right there, attach image, and I'm going to choose the image I have saved on my desktop. That's going to be the Age of Revolutions image right there. Click on open. And you get this box right here. Now you want to launch a new window, check no. Now the width, we're going to set this to 1000 to 300. Border, we'll leave one border. Click on submit. When you click on submit, it'll give you a preview of what it looks like. So this is the preview. And if you like it, you can click on submit again, and they'll show up on your home page. So now you've got the image in the box, and you click on submit again, and voila, there is your banner right there. Now the next edit I want to do is I want to change this home page. I want to actually have the course name listed here. So what I do is I click on the down point arrow again, click on edit this time at the drop down box, and I change this from home page to Age of Revolutions. Okay, permit users to personalize page, leave this unchecked. And then you want to, all these options, just leave these all set to yes. And then click on submit. And there you go. So it's changed from the home page to Age of the Revolution. Now, I've got that look going. I've got the home page and the picture and everything set. Now I want to change how the menu looks. Now for the home page here, instead of home page, I want to have the course description, Age of Revolution. So I click this down pointing arrow right here, click on rename link, and I type in Age of Revolutions. Okay, and then click on the green check mark. That's it. So now the Age of Revolutions, instead of being called home page, is Age of Revolutions. So whenever I click on this, it takes me right to the home page. Now, the second option, next thing I want to do, I want to put a divider right after Age of Revolution. So I click on the plus, and I create a divider. That's going to show up all the way at the bottom here, and then right here, where the little double-sided arrow is, I just hold my mouse and drag this divider up, and I'm going to put that right below Age of Revolutions. So as you can see, I got a little divider. Now, I want to create a course heading. I want to call it Course Information. So to do that, I click on the plus again, double click on Create Subheader, and I'm going to name this Course Information. Okay, click on Submit, and once again it appears at the bottom here, so I just hold the mouse on the double-sided arrow right there, and I drag it all the way up right above Age of Revolutions. Okay, so now I've got my course information heading, Age of Revolutions. I got a divider. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all these to make it easier. So I'm going to get rid of all these links. I'm going to delete everything just to make it easier. Okay. Okay, and deleting everything as you can see. Delete. Okay. Delete. Yes. And then unit 1 we're going to delete. So I'm doing this to cut down on confusion. So pretty much we're going to get rid of everything here and then add stuff from scratch. And then we're going to delete about the instructor. And we're going to get rid of groups. Okay, so we got everything deleted now. Now we're going to add the content area. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to add the content area syllabus. And we're going to call it syllabus, course syllabus, available to users. Click on submit. And we're going to do a content area again. And we're going to call this class schedule, available to users. Click on submit. Okay, so as you can see, we got course syllabus and schedule. We're going to move these up. Right there. Right there. And let's move that divider back up. Let's go right below Age of Revolutions. Okay, so we have course schedule, course syllabus. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to create another subheader. So what we do is we click on plus, create subheader, and we're going to call this one course materials. Click on submit. Once again, it's appeared right here at the bottom, and we're going to leave this one actually at the bottom. So now we've got the course information heading, the home page, Age of Revolutions. We've got the course syllabus content area where you're going to upload your syllabus. We've got a class schedule area, content area, where you're going to upload pretty much a document listing all your due dates and everything. And then we got course materials. Now under course materials, we're going to add two content areas. One is going to be Unit 1, where all the audio text, e-text, everything's going to be housed. And we're going to add an assignments content holder for the two papers that you're going to have. So to do that, click on plus, create content area. I'm going to call this one Unit 1. Click on submit. Right there. So we got Unit 1 now. Now we're going to add the assignments content area. So do plus again, content area. And we call this assignments. Make that available to users. Click on submit. And there you go. So we got the Unit 1 content area and assignments. So now we're going to do one more subheading, and we're going to call this one student resources. So we click on plus again, go to create subheader, and type student resources. Click on submit. And there we go. We got a student resources subheading. Okay, so that's it. So now we've got course information subheading, course materials, and student resources. Now we're going to create content areas below the student resources subheading. First thing we're going to do, we're going to do a My Grades link. So we click on the plus, you create a tool link, and we're going to go to type, choose My Grades. Name, we'll call this My Grades as well. Available to users. Click on submit. And that's it. So now when students click this, it'll take them right to their grades. Okay, now we're going to add an external link. So what we do Now for the external link, we're going to have a link to the WordPress site, the blog. So we're going to click on plus. We're going to choose create external link. We're going to call it class blog. And the URL is going to be the web address for the blog. So let's do WordPress for now. We're going to do wordpress.uark.edu. Make sure we put in the http://. Okay, available to users. Click on submit. And that's it. So we got a class blog link now. So when you click on the class blog link, it will take you directly to the WordPress site, for example. And that's it. So as you can see, let's go back to the home page. So you can see how quick that was. Just in a matter of minutes, we've got the main banner set up, we've got your home page set up, and we've got the menu set up to how we want it to look. So that's it. Now for your assignment, you're going to pretty much do what I just did in your sandbox course.